Hello everyone and hello world. So in this video I will teach you on how to make a file wherein you have a portrait and a landscape. Now let us open your Microsoft Word and let's go to the blank. Now let us try to encode in a portrait type. So this is now in the portrait. As you can see in the orientation, it's in the portrait. Now if you want the second page to be in the landscape, because sometimes we need to insert some different orientation. In this case, now before you go to the next page, okay, you click the brakes and then the continuous. Look at here, it is, you are now on the last part of the paper. Now when you enter it and you have here the next page, you put your cursor in the next page and then you go again to the orientation and you just click landscape. So there you go. Now so we have here a portrait and a landscape, and in here we can also change the size. Now let us try to change it. So by default is we have 8.5 by 11 inches and I want to make it long. Okay, let's use the legal size. Okay, there you go. So we can see here the landscape orientation of the paper now is in the legal size. It's 8.5 by 14. And the first one is we have the 8.5 by 11. Now if in this case, for example, you will be needing another sheet for this size, you can just add some more by clicking this enter. Okay. The same when you copy and paste a landscape type and a portrait type. Like for example, you are tasked to make a file with different supposed to be you have a different file name, but you need to put it in one file, and you have documents from the other source. Let's try to get this one, the memorandum. Now if you would like to copy it, so you just click you just Control A and just click Control C. Now you look for the page that you're working with. Now you can paste it. Okay, something like that. If you do not need another sheet of this, you just, all you need to do is backspace. Okay, and then you come here again and then backspace. So with this strategy, you can now have a different orientation. You can put a portrait and a landscape here. Okay, so that's how easy it is and how to make a file, one file with different orientation. So please be reminded, when you want to make one, what did we say a while ago? Okay, let's just do it again. Now we have here the portrait, and if you want the second page to be in the landscape, all you need to do is you go to the last part. Okay, before you go to the second page, all you need to do now is to just click layout, and then you look for the breaks. You go to the continuous, enter, and then you click landscape. So there you go. We have now here the landscape one. You can also change the sizes. Just go to that certain page and then you change the size of it. So it's there already. Okay, you just click the backspace if you do not need the other size. Okay, that's all for this video, and I hope that you've learned something in this video. Thank you so much.